Masters in Information Technology or Masters in Information System. And isa to sa pinaka-pogi, pinaka-matalino BUIT professor. Alam niyo na ba kung sino? Okay. So, huwag na nating patagalin. Let's welcome Sir Benedicto B. Balilo Jr.
Hello, good afternoon. I was afraid a while ago that the first speaker, medyo silensyo kayo. And when he told that i-raffle, parang Facebook na from log out, automatic nag-log in. Ganon kabilis pag may raffle. Ganon ba yun? Sino sa inyo ang natutulog na? Wala. Si Sir Frank. So I'm Mr. Benedicto B. Balilo Jr. of Bicol University College of Science, the CSIT department, and like beautiful and pretty, parehas pala, MC. Ako daw ano yan? Pinaka-pogi. Agree ba kayo doon? Hindi, ano? Sino kamukha ko? Wala. Wala. So, I am also a student like you guys. I am a student of the UC, of the University of the Cordillera. It is under MIT, Master in Information Technology. Just graduated FBA at Aquinas University. And my presentation is one of our subject which medyo nagustuhan ko siya. Alam natin na when we do programming, especially web, we always see to it that we do the hard coding part. Tama ba? So, hindi tayo nag-iisip na mayroon palang framework na pwedeng baseline natin. Tama? Hoy, natutulog ba tayo? So, again, good afternoon. This is my sharing. This is one of our subject in MIT under, if I'm not mistaken, Mr. Lau of the UC, University of the Cordillera, an offshore project program of the university and the Bicol University and the JET. Okay, sir? So I guess there are variations of a framework. First, we should know what is a framework. Ano ba ang framework? Frame na may sa gitna, may nakalagay na picture. Hindi yun, ano? Framework per se is just like a collection of procedures and modules so that we could write web applications. Para mawala yung case of hard coding and this would be the baseline. So ito na yun, magsisimula ka na, tingnan mo lang siya, then yun na, meron ka ng web app. Then just do the coding. And here are the frameworks available online. We have the, are you familiar with Cake PHP? Ha? So yun ang kagandahan ng TikTok, ano? New terms, new ideas, para magkaroon kayo ng idea when you reach the capstone project. So itong pinaka the best, the Symfony. And Sir Nagar and my brother Richard told me that they have a training in Manila about SEND framework. They cost how much? 32,000, 36,000. Pero ngayon, i-present ko lang siya ng libre. Libre lang siya. Hindi yung SEND framework, ha? A new framework. Yeah. And we have the Cognitor, the Django. Madami pang mga frameworks wherein we can download online, proprietary and open source. But don't be worried, guys. Yeah, is an open source. We can download it free. Okay? Next, sir. So here are notable frameworks of which or let's say for example, a framework for Java. Instead of starting from hard-coded, pwede kang mag-start na sa framework. Under Java, we have the Apache, and etc. Under PHP, madami. And under PHP, we have the and I will discuss the framework. The Python, nandyan lahat, madami. And I guess you are familiar with Ruby, and the latest today is the Ruby on Rails. Madami mga terms na bago na sa atin, ano? Kaya hindi lang dapat mag-Facebook, pag nasa harap tayo ng computer, sino kaya ang may message? Sino kaya ang nag-message? Sino kaya ang nag-comment doon sa post ko? So ganun ang perception natin, no? Ang use natin once we are online. Kayo ba? Ano yung pinaka-prime purpose nyo? Bakit kayo nag-create ng Facebook? Bakit kayo nag-develop ng web apps? Bakit kayo nag-develop? Maybe mayroong client, may customer, maybe for personal. Ano pa? Madami, no? Madaming reason. Next, sir. So my presentation is one of the framework na present ko, and that is Ye. What is Ye? As I pronounce it, Ye. Y-I-I. Sabi niya, nung unang present sa amin ng professor namin is Y-I-I. Sabi ng professor namin, no, it's Ye. Ye daw, Ye. So, Ye is a high-performance PHP framework. So, PHP, alam natin kung paano nag-work ang PHP. Anong application ang ginagamit nyo ngayon? The hard-coded way. I guess you're familiar with Jupyter? Yes. Are you familiar with Notepad? Grabe naman. Notepad ka mo? Gusto ka naman yan. Talagang the strongest hard-coded, hard-coding side. So, yeah, as I have said, matatapos na kanyang pagbiran ng Java. It is pronounced as Ye, and is an acronym for yes, it is. Yes, it is. Ye. So, yung one day nyo ngayon dito, mayroon ng accomplishment sa buhay nyo. Kasi ako, pag lumalabas ng bahay, even nasa loob ng bahay, I see to it that mayroon akong kahit konting accomplishment magawa ko. Ganun ba kayo? Hindi. Magkapaglaba ka lang ng medyas, that is accomplishment. Tama? Makagawa ka lang, maka-open ka lang ng Facebook account mo, accomplishment. Kasi nga, nakita mo na yung message doon, di ba? Satisfied ka na. So, ganun yun. Ye comes with rich features. I guess you heard the MVC, not the MVC side of the university, yung cycle for the promotion. It's MVC. Are you familiar with that? Ha? So, timing pala ang aking sharing, ano? As a student ng MIT, share ko sa inyo ngayon. Meron na yung idea kung ano. Pero hindi pa, no? Wala pa, kulang pa. Kasi, ang presentation na to is from scratch. Then, makikita natin at the end of the presentation kung paano siya gamitin. Yun ang pinaka-objective ko. Na dapat, every one of us, when we come back to our school, kung nasa harap tayo ng computer, we download the Ye framework, then let us apply. Let us see kung naiintindihan nyo. Yun ang objective ko ngayon. Sharing. Not just sharing, but the implementation, talagang na-test nyo. Kung talagang nag-work. Kasi may mga presentations dito na ginawa ko na. So, YE is fast, secure, and professional. Ganun naman palagi, ano? Once you advertise an application, palagi mayroong fast, secure, and professional. Ito kaya mga marketing terms ang pwedeng ihalo natin dyan. But I tell you guys, once you test YE framework, mabilib ka mo talaga. Okay? Next service. So sabi sa ating mga lesson, sa mga subjects, you cannot go further a lesson, a discussion without going through history. Dapat pasadahan mo man ang history. Bakit nandyan? Sino kaya yan? Ano yung history niya? So, YE is the brainchild of Qiang So. Qiang So is one of the founder of Prado framework. So, madaming framework. But nakita ni Xiang na mayroon palang potential na expound ang Prado into another framework. That's why lumabas siya ng Prado ng group, then he developed YE. Okay? So, ganun lang nangyari. The first alpha version of YE was released October 28, and the final and formally released version was on December 3, 2008. So kung makikita mo, lumabas siya ng group, nagsarili siya, dinevelop niya yung YE, ilang months lang. Start from the January 1, October, December, 1 year lang, ano? Kaya daw natin yan. Nasa group tayo, pagkatapos nakita natin na may potential o pagkakakitaan ito. Lalabas tayo, pagkatapos bubuo tayo ng isang application. Parang may na-recall ako. Parang may trend. Nasa timeline na once na nag-boom na ang isang application, ang tendency is mag-go out, magsasarili. Naka-observe kayo ng mga ganyan na real scenario. Nasa isang corporation, nakita niyang may potential siya, yung idea nasa kanya, nag-out siya, nagbuo ng corporation, siya na ngayon ang siga. Mayroon ba kayong alam? Oy, ako walang alam ha. Kayo lang ang may alam. Kanina medyo nakikita ko sa inyo para medyo inapipira ako ha. So ngayon, may natutulog pa ba? Parang hindi, kasi medyo malakas ang ating boses, ano? Tama ba? Okay, next. So what are the features of YE? Every application has its own unique features, and YE has the MVC design pattern. O yan, sinabi ko na. MVC stands for Model, View, and Controller. They are connected. Sabi. Parang hindi ka mag-exist kung wala ako. Mas lalo na ikaw. Kailangan mo ako. Parang ganon. Okay? The generation of complex WSDL is a library. Service, parang WSDL is another subject doon sa MIT namin. Wherein one of the activities is how to grab the GUIP. Mayroon na siyang web service using the application of SOAP. And the WSDL, pagkatapos nag-grab kami ng XML file, pagkatapos nag-grab namin yung location. Parang ganun. So let's say the currency. So, on the programming side, mahirap mag-program ng conversion. Currency conversion. Di ba mahirap? Tama? Tama ba yun? Mahirap ba yun? Oo, mahirap yun. If PHP or for the Philippine currency is equal to the currency of India. Kung nagtagtugma, anong mangyayari? So mahirap yun. Madaming else, di ba? Using XML, meron na siyang XML na nasa as a web service, then i-grab mo na lang siya, mayroon ka na conversion. Yun, ginamit namin yung WSDL. So later on, pag yung discussion para sa SOAP, XML, and WSDL. Internalization and localization. This is under the L18N and F10N. Sorry, hindi sa amin diniscuss kung what is LN. Ang alam ko lang is L300. It's not a band, it's a printer. Tama ba? Tama ba? Ano yung latest sa Epson? L. Ay, dapat as IT, alam natin yan. L800, meron ba? Meron bang L800, Mr. Nakar, sir?
Tatanong ko sir sa Texon.
Tatanong sa Texon. Mayroon, sir, L800, meron. So, meron ba latest na L800? Tanungin natin, sir, sa Texon kung talagang meron. Layer, error handling and logging. So, nalalab niya. Kasi, ang YE, paka-download mo, pwede mo siyang i-store sa drive, then pwede mo na siyang magamit. Pagkatapos later on, if you decided na i-upload siya, pwede na. What you see is what you get. Security measures include cross-site scripting or the XSS. I guess you are familiar with scripting language. Kasi ang PHP is example of the scripting language, diba? The JavaScript. Okay, familiar tayo. Cross-site request forgery. CSRF, nakasama dyan sa feature ng YE. And I guess sa PHP, familiar rin kayo sa cookie. Tama? Session, cookie, diba? Ganun. Huwag na po kayong magtanong kasi ako daw ang magtatanong sa inyo. Huwag ka nang magtanong kasi ako magtatanong mamaya. May isang t-shirt daw. Okay ba sa inyo? Okay. Ay, grabe, walang response. Wag na lang, akin na lang to. Akin na lang to. Oh, ready ba kayo? Ready? Kaya makinig ha, makinig. Ang question ko ay nandyan lang. Hindi ko na kayo pahihirapan. Okay? Like for example, what is MVC? Ano ba yung MVC? Model View Control. By 1 point na kayo. Pero mamaya pa yun. Hindi ko alam kung sino magkakaroon ng t-shirt sa inyo ha. So mag-isip na lang. Pag nagsabi ako, okay, question, ako yung magpo-question, kayo ang mamaya yun. Unit and functionality testing based on the PSP unit and Selenium. Ito yung mga features ng YE na kung magkakaroon tayo ng comparison with the other frameworks, present din siya sa iba pang frameworks. Pero ang nangyayari, ito kaya wala dito sa isang framework, ito nandito, ganun lang naman ang comparison ng mga frameworks. Okay? Pero they are secure.